products from Mueller Electric. For those of you who have been following along with our saga.
The saga.
This is, we've been a little bit challenged with our electricity kits for 4th and 5th graders.
Mm-hmm.
It's really important that the test leads and the Alligator clips that we use to create the electric circuits, that 4th and 5th graders actually be able to open and close the Alligator clips for those circuits.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, when we did user testing of our initial kit, we discovered that even an 8th grader had a lot of trouble with.
It was very frustrating.
It was very frustrating.
We want to make these affordable, but the quality needs to be there as well.
Exactly.
And we found out very quickly that the Alligator clips were, and the boots for them were going to be difficult.
Right. So what we did was we had bought some inexpensive test leads with Alligator clips, and those test leads were too difficult to open and close.
Mm-hmm. The boots slid around on them.
All around. It was just incredibly frustrating.
Mm-hmm.
So we spent days and days,
literally
trying to find test leads with Alligator clips that 4th and 5th graders could open, that wouldn't slip around. And what we found was that for every product we could find, in the comments somewhere, people were saying the exact same things.
Yeah.
You know, that they had difficulties opening and closing the clips, that the boots slid around, and we were absolutely desperate. We reached out to Mueller Electric, and this wonderful lady, Deanna Craver at Mueller Electric, she said, hey, let me take your requirements and let me see what I can do to help. And she did. She took all of our requirements. She got with a team at Mueller Electric, and the contents of this box, this is what they came up with that they thought would work great for our use case.
Yeah, and we thought we were just going to do kind of a precursory, hey, what do you suggest?
Please.
We need some help. And what they came back with was just beyond what we expected. It was really incredible.
Absolutely.
So really,
we just
really want to thank
appreciate
those
the
folks.
help so much. I can't even tell you. Thank you. So let's take a
So
look.
what's in the box?
Let's see what's in the box. All right, so put this over to the side, over by my
of course,
side.
on your side.
My side. Look what we have.
Insulated wire!
Yeah, insulated wire. This is PVC insulated 18 gauge wire.
It's much better
Look
than
at
the
that,
other
just
wire.
feel it.
It's more substantial.
Feel that? Yes.
Definitely.
You can tell this is going to last for a while. And look what they did on the ends.
Yep.
They have sliced the PVC and they've retained it.
Yep.
So it's going to make it really easy for us to just take this off and actually create the test leads.
Yeah, that's going to save a lot of time right there.
Yeah, it really is.
And it's consistent too, so consistent lengths.
Awesome. This, oh look.
Red for positive.
Red for positive and black for negative.
Yep.
That's wonderful. Oh my goodness.
The piece de resistance here.
It's the Alligator clips. Ooh, look at these.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, these are beautiful.
Great quality.
Oh, the kids are going to love the color too. These are just cool.
It's like Batman.
Look at that. Okay. All right, so these are the C60. No, these are the 60. These are the 60 C-low Alligator clips. The low means low pressure.
Yep.
So these should be really easy for the 4th and 5th graders to open and close.
And they have, the way they differ from the others we had is they have like a little round area on the clip where it gives you a lot more area for pressure.
Exactly.
So
Now one thing, these, they don't have the little, they don't have
The screws?
little screws, exactly. But
they're crimp style.
yeah, these are crimp, and everything I've seen says that that should actually be more durable for the kids, for them to use these. So we'll be crimping these on. Look at this. Very exciting.
They're just
Look at that.
so much easier than the other ones.
So much easier.
Yeah.
All right. And
To go on them, boots.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
This is way different than what we had before. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these
Yep.
boots are shaped differently than the other ones that we had. These are shaped similarly to the alligator clip. See?
Mhm.
So it's bigger and then it goes small, so you can already tell this is not going to slip around like crazy.
The others were just like round sleeves that slid all around and made it almost impossible to try and clip.
Yeah, look at this.
But yeah, these
You
are
can
so
already,
much easier.
you can already see that.
Like a world of difference.
It doesn't turn in there.
Not at all.
Wow.
I think the kids are
Okay.
gonna have much easier time.
I
with
think
that.
so too. And look at, I mean, it gives nice insulation.
Mhm.
So we were even at one point thinking, geez, let's just try just taking the boots off. But no, we want to have the insulation going around these conductors.
Because you never want to shake hands with Mr. Electricity.
Right, exactly. So here we go.
Yeah.
All right. So, oh, look, we have this in red
More
again
positive.
and black for negative.
That works out.
Awesome. And lastly, we have a
Crimpers.
couple of crimpers.
Yep.
And these look pretty good too. Look at these.
Tools of the trade.
Great. All right, so we're going to use these crimpers to attach our alligator clips to our wires.
So we have a bit of work to do.
We do have a bit of
create
work to
these
do.
test leads, but as all superheroes say, you don't know?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Electricians assemble!
Yeah, electricians assemble.